Hi, my name's Isaac, and I make videos.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Isaac. If you guys don't know, thanks for someone threw headphones at me. I love you. Ha. Oh, why is my ear so squeaky? You guys want to see the camera I've been using lately? That one's pretty nice. Mustache. After that awesomeness, here's a video of a girl burping really loud.
When?
That was kind of amazing. Ah, that's a mouse. If you have an iPod Touch or an iPhone, there's an app right here, over there. It's called Text Plus. I don't know if you can see that, but it's free and it's pretty sweet because you can like text people for free, so it's all good.
Hey, how's it going?
Random fact of the day, the word nerd was first coined by Dr. Seuss in the book If I Ran a Zoo. Should I do that every day, like a random fact of the day? I think that'd be pretty sweet. Would you guys like that? Huh, Isaac, what's that? A video's up before 12? Oh my goodness, you're a genius. See you guys tomorrow!